Hello and welcome to RDX News Bulletin with me, Rupa Gauri. Before we go into all the stories in detail, let's have a look on top headlines. Huge chaos on Rohan Khaute's question on the first day monsoon session of the State Legislative Assembly. Boycott of Senior Rani is due to restlessness among few family members, Congress Inspector Dr. A. Chalan Kumar. Mayam issue should be solved by 19 December as per the assurance given by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Bhu Vimochan Nagarik Kruti Samiti. And now the news in detail. The 6-day monsoon session of the State Legislative Assembly started on Wednesday. On the first day assembly session, opposition MLA alleged that the MLA of ruling party are misusing government scheme. MLA Rohan Khaute raised a question on the misuse of Kanyadan scheme to Women and Children Development Minister Dilip Parulekar. There was huge chaos in the assembly on this issue. The Congress MLA who was supporting Rohan Khaute want to sit on their seats by Speaker Rajendra Alekar. RDX Goa Bureau reports.
Refer to C, subquestion C and D. माझा पहिला प्रश्न असा स्पीकर सर, is the honorable minister aware that the such instances wherein the staff or the workers of the ruling party at constituency level are misusing their positions by directly collecting the sanction letters and checks from the department meant for the beneficiaries without the knowledge of the beneficiaries?
Speaker sir, jenna scheme जाली फॉर्मा घेतली आणि आम्ही चेक डिस्ट्रीब्युशन करपाक पहिले फंक्शन जे थेले ते सगळ्या आमदारांक आणि मिनिस्टरांक त्या नॉर्थ गोवा आणि साऊथ गोवा किंवा तालुका वायज आम्ही हे चेक किंवा सॉरी सँक्शन लेटरा दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. ताज्यानंतर आज पर्यंत स्पीकर सर आम्ही जे कितें सँक्शन जाता प्रत्येक म्हयनेवार किंवा 15 दिसांनी तितके प्रत्येक जणांचे लिस्ट जे आसा लिस्ट उलयता हांव सँक्शन लेटरा उलयना लिस्ट तयार करता आणि त्या MLA पर्यंत पावपाचो प्रयत्न करता.
स्पीकर सर म्हजें उत्तर मेळना. I have my questions to complete.
बस म्हाका आवाज स्पीकर सर म्हाका आवाज बरोवपाक कटा बस
सकल बस पयली सकल पयली बस रे तो सकल बस पहिले तो
अरे उभा रावला तू बस. अरे ऑनरेबल MLA अरे तुझं टर्न येतो तू बस हांव उभो आसा तू बस पहिले तू बस रे. स्पीकर सर
हांव सांगता कोणता बस पहिली बस सकल तू म्हाका आयकता की ना? तुका मध्ये उठून उभा रावपाचो अधिकार ना बाबू कवळेकर. तू काय सांगता? आय विल व्ह्यू इट व्हेरी सिरियसली.
स्पीकर सर ऑनरेबल MLA रोहन खौटेन जो प्रश्न विचारला त्याका हांव उत्तर दिल्लें आसा. हांवें परत एकदा जाय जाल्यार सांगता की स्कीम इम्प्लिमेंटेशन केल्यानंतर फॉर्मा घेतल्यानंतर प्रोसेस जाल्यानंतर प्रत्येक जी लेटरां आसा हे पयल्या फारा आमी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केल्या. हांगा इम्पॉर्टंट इतकेंच आसा स्पीकर सर की आमचो दृष्टिकोन इतको आसा की जो बेनिफिशरी आहा तेज्या पर्यंत पयशे पावपाचे आणि त्या प्रत्येक बेनिफिशरीच्या अकाउंटार तो मागीर 1000 आसूं 2000 आसूं किंवा ते आपले 1 लाख आसूं आमी त्या खात्यान तेज्या बँकेच्या खात्यान दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केला.
म्हाका पयलें कळपाक जाय आत्तां ताणें सांगलां आपूण डायरेक्ट अकाउंटाक घालता नाल्यार डायरेक्ट सँक्शन दिता जाल्यार इन दीस पर्टिक्युलर केस who is the person from the department who gave the check to whom before reaching the beneficiary and beneficiary कोणाकडेन मेळपाचो कित्याक प्रॉब्लेम जाता?
Transfers are electronic. In this particular case, she has been paid the money. She has given in
That
writing.
is what I am asking. When the money was paid, the check which lapse took place, तो म्हणटा honorable CM म्हणटा by courier or by post गेल्लो. हो चेक कसो गेल्लो तो म्हाका कळपाक जाय फक्त कोणाक दिलो तो डिपार्टमेंटाच्या मनशान दिलो इन्क्वायरी.
ते कितें हांगा कितें इन्क्वायरी ऑफिस विधानसभा म्हणजे कितें इन्क्वायरी ऑफिस. The name of the two persons are same.
It is not the same address is different. And handing address.
Name of the persons are same. Ana Maria De Silva. दोघांची नावां तीच आहा.
Problem exists in every family, and Congress party is like a family. The boycott of Pratap Singh Rane is due to restlessness among few family members. This is our family matter, commented Congress Inspector Dr. A. Chalan Kumar while speaking on this matter. In the alleged mining case, the former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Pratap Singh Rane and many other Congress people are registered under this case, and this is politics, he added. Sanjay Munole report from Panji.
Came just like a routine meeting. After we have our own Block Congress Committee President's meeting. To attend that I came here. All the MLAs were with me earlier. Yesterday many of them have come. Only one or two were not there. They are also not in session, but they rang up to me and they told me that they will come and meet me today.
Some of your MLAs openly have criticized the present opposition leader. What is that?
So that's what I told yesterday also. Within the family itself, sometimes within the brothers they fight used to happen. That doesn't mean that they are against each other. Even father and son also have sometimes used to happen like that. It's not like that. It's within a family, they are all united under the leadership of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. There is no difference of opinion. They want to raise some questions in the assembly against the BJP government about their non-functioning, and so many issues are there because of the unemployment. So many things are, people are suffering over there. So much dependence, people are struggling like anything. So they want to raise so many issues. So they requested our CLP leader to protest against that.
Okay.
Being a senior man and he has the experience of as a CM and a speaker, he might have thought that because since the assembly is very short period of time, we may not have time to this thing. That is nobody can blame that thing also. But anyhow, because assembly is meant for people, so it is the people's whatever the people's perception we have to raise in the assembly.
Given my comments, in fact, yesterday, I felt I always feel that opposition leaders should act like an opposition leader. I feel whatever the grievances of the people, that should be addressed, and the best forum to address the grievances of the people is the assembly. So curtailing someone else's right, the opposition's right, in fact, to air the grievances of the people, that's totally wrong and unacceptable.
Mayam issue should be solved in complete manner by 19 December, as per the assurance given by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, said Bhu Vimochan Nagrik Kruti Samiti. If the government fail to resolve the issue as promised, then they will responsible for the next work operation, warned Bhu Vimochan Samiti President Kushinath Mayekar. He was speaking during the press strike held near Captain of Port at Panaji. After the completion of the assembly session, Mayam MLA and Deputy Speaker Anand Sheth joined one-day strike. Yashwant reports from Panaji.
भूविमोचन नागरिक कृती समितीतर्फे एका दिसाचे लाक्षणिक उपोषण आम्ही हांगासर आयोजित केलेले आसा. समितीचे कार्यकर्ते, स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक संघटना आणि मयाच्या प्रश्नांक मदत करणारे हितचिंतक इतले मेळून आज आम्ही हांगासर एका दिसाचे उपोषण करतात. गेली 53 वर्षां मयेकार झगडटात मयाचेर आसलेलो कस्टोडियन कायदो कायमचो रद्द करचो म्हणून. पण सत्तेचेर येणारे प्रत्येक सरकार फक्त आश्वासनां ह्याच्या शिवाय आणि दुसरे कांय दिना. गोयचे मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांच्यानी मयेकारांक एक विश्वास दिल्लो आसा की येता ते 19 डिसेंबर 2013 पर्यंत मयेगांवचो हो प्रश्न जो आसा हो प्रश्न आपण सोडयता म्हणून. आमकां तेज्या आश्वासनाचेर विश्वास आसा. पण गेल्या 53 वर्षांच्या कालावधीत सत्तेचेर येणाऱ्या प्रत्येक सरकारान ज्या तरेन मयेकारांक फटयल्ले आसा त्यामुळे मयेकार आज बुचकळ्यान पडलेले आसा. सत्तेर आसणारे सरकार हो मयाचो प्रश्न सोडयतले की ना ह्या विशयी आमच्या मनात शंका आसा. आणि म्हणूनच मयाचो प्रश्न हो पूर्णतः निकालान काडचो म्हणून हे आज एका दिसाचे लाक्षणिक उपोषण आमी हांगासर दवरलेले आसा. आमी सरकाराक सांगूंक सोदतात गेली 53 वर्षां आमी सोंसलेले आसा. आमचे कडेन आनीक सोंसपाची तांक ना. तुमी आमकां 19 डिसेंबर दिल्लो आसा. आमी 19 डिसेंबर पर्यंत वाट पळयतले. 19 डिसेंबर पर्यंत जर मयाचो प्रश्न सोडयलो ना जाल्यार 19 डिसेंबर 2013 नंतर जे कितें घडटलें तेका फक्त सरकारूच जबाबदार आसतलो.
हे आमचे जे आता मुख्यमंत्री आहेत याच ठिकाणी आमचे अगोदरचे मुख्यमंत्री आणि हे आता झालेले मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत आणि आमचे आताचे मुख्यमंत्री हे दोघं याच ठिकाणी त्यांनी आश्वासन दिलं होतं दोघांनी मिळून आम्हाला. ह्या संघटनेला आश्वासन दिलं होतं की हा प्रश्न ताबडतोब आम्ही सोडू म्हणून. ते काल काय बोललेले आज त्यांना आठवण नाही आहे. मला पर्रिकरांना आठवण करून द्यावीशी वाटते की आमच्या शेजारी बसून तुम्ही हा प्रश्न दशेला लावण्यासाठी इथे बसला होता आणि आज त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही बसलेले आहात. तेव्हा हा जो तुमचा जो इथे बसून जो काही उद्देश होता तो त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला एक संधी आहे आणि हा प्रश्न त्यांनी ताबडतोब सोडवावा अशी मी एक स्वतंत्र सैनिक म्हणून त्यांना एक विनंती.
सगळे मयेकार गेली कित्येक वर्ष या प्रश्नाच्या माध्यमातून लढा देत असा, संघर्ष करीत असा. हे कारण उरपाक किंवा जो प्रश्न उरपाक अनेक कारणां आसूं येत, पूण तितूंतल्या तितून प्रामुख्यान जर धरले जायत जाल्यार हो प्रश्न सुटचो म्हणून एक पॉलिटिकल वील आसपाक जाय आसली, जी राजकीय इच्छा शक्ती आसपाक जाय आसली ती खंयच्याच सरकारान दवरली ना. अजून पर्यंत तुमची सरकारां जॉइन केली. म्हाका एक अभिमान आसा विद्यमान भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार आणि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांच्यांनी हो प्रश्न तसाच लावपाचे तत्वता ठरयल्लें आसा आणि जे उतार तांच्यांनी मयेच्या जनतेक दिल्ले आसा की ते उतार ते निश्चितपणे पाळटले. टायम बाउंड जो हे दिल्ले आसा त्या हितून ह्या प्रश्नाच्या सोडवणूक खातीर एक प्रोसेस ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जाला आणि निश्चितूच निर्धारित वेळेन ह्या प्रश्नाची सोडवणूक जातली.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तूं त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्लें प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्यादेगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आणि रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. The work of 44th IFFI Festival, which will commence on 20th November, will start after the arrival of Film Director Officer, which will expected in next week. A meeting was conducted under the guidance of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. The Film Director Officer will reach on 11th of October and the IFFI Festival program will be finalized thereafter, said ESG Vice President Vishnu Suryavag.
A meeting of the steering committee of ESG was held in view of the preparations of IFFI 13. All the departmental heads were called. For security, the IGP and the entire police officers, they were called. So we had some, we gave them some directions on how to conduct the IFFI. That was as per the routine every year that is.
But they have earlier decision about Rajinikanth. What happened about that?
No, we are yet to get a confirmation from him.
Nowadays, there is increase in robbery in the state. A gold shop was broken and bulk on Thursday at Kolwale. Gold and silver ornaments worth ₹10,50,000 were robbed. A similar robbery was registered few years back and the culprits are still at large.
रातचे 2:30 सुमार चोरी जाल्यो आनी तेन्ना आमकां म्हणजे कोणें पळयलें चोरतना हें फोडटाना शटर आनी मागीर आमकां फोन मारलो आनी पुलिसेक फोन मारलो. पुलीस येवच्या पयलीं ते गेले. मागीर हांव 4 सुमार येयलो हांगासर. पळय नाल्यार पळयलें आमचे सगळे चांदी कितें सगळी व्हेल्ली. चांदीची पांयांतली वेडे वाळे सगळे सरपळ्यो मदीं ते भायर आसले सगळे आनी जवळ जवळ 60 ग्राम भांगर व्हेलें. आटयो 2-3 पेंडेंट दिसता न्ही जॅक लायिल्ल्या खबर ना म्हाका. 2 लोकां सारके मदली 2 लोकां फोडल्या. कशें फोडले टोटल कितले 10,50,000 अप्रॉक्सिमेटली.
All the people in Kalangut constituency should start using their unused agricultural land, said the Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo. He was speaking after the distribution of harvesting machine to the farmers. Water Resources Minister Dayanand Manrekar and others were present. Gautam Shirodkar report from Kalangut.
Harvesting machine आमचे Kalangut constituency Kalangutan आम्ही इनॉग्रेट केला फॉर हार्वेस्टिंग. लोकल फार्मर्स आम्ही तांकां एनकरेज करता की शेताची पाड आहा ती तुम्ही खंय तरी लावची म्हणून. आनी गव्हर्मेंट 1,100 रुपीज सबसिडी दिता एका वराक फॉर हार्वेस्टिंग. आनी तेजे वयले जे पयशे आहात अनदर 1,100 2,200 ही रेट आहा. सो 1,100 हांव आमदार म्हणून तांकां खंय तरी एक एनकरेजमेंट टू ग्रो पॅडी म्हणजे आनीक शेतां जी पाड आहा ती लावची लोकांनी. हे म्हाजे एक विचार आहा आनी मागणें आहा लोकां कडेन. तांकां फ्री हार्वेस्टिंग दिता आमी. सो तेणी लोकांनी हो एक हें घेवचें की नेक्स्ट 3 इयर्स जे हांव MLA आसतलो ही हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन लास्ट इयरूय दिल्ली आमी प्रोवायड केल्ली. ह्या वर्सा प्रोवायड करतले आनी फुडें प्रोवायड करतले. सो लोकांनी जी शेतां लोकां कडेन आहा तेणी लावची. हे इतलेंच म्हाजें म्हणणें आहा.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Crafts fair and exhibition, display, demonstration and sale of exquisite crafts brought by the craftsperson of northeastern states. Crafts on display, cane furniture, hand-printed woven textiles, saris, bed covers, embroidery, wood carving, terracotta, jewelry, art metallic ware, jute items and many more. From 3rd October to 28th October, 10 AM to 9 PM, including Sundays. Major credit cards accepted. At Goa Kshatriya Maratha Samaj Hall, opposite New Majestic Hotel, behind Sunday School, Porvorim, Goa.
The best of the best. An institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना. पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट अँड ऍडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून ऍडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. N Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. a name that hotel industry trusts. Admissions open for degree and diploma courses. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Goa's first ISO 9001-2000 certified educational institute. Nova Sidadi Commercial Complex, S1 Building, Alto Pororim, Pardes, Goa. Contact 0832 241 1350 or 9326 114919.
Welcome back. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar should look at the miserable state of Kolwa beach and order the authority to clean the same, requested Kolwa Civic and Consumer Forum activist Alex D'Souza. It's among one of the famous beach in Goa. Thereafter, it should be taken good care, he added. Mandar Naik report from Margaon.
आम्ही जायते हायलाइट करून दाखयला जशे परे लायटी थांबो मोडून पडला तो आनीक दोला सारकी ना भुरग्यांक खेळपाचें प्रॉब्लेम जाला उदकाचो नोड ना उदकाचो नोड कंप्लीटली दीस रात हांव उदक व्हांवता सो तेजी कांय एक्शन घेवंक ना आमची बीच इतली हें जाल्लो आहा कोण एक्शन घेवपाची खबर करना ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंटान सारकें आमकां निग्लेक्ट केलो आहा ट्युरिजम सिजन स्टार्ट जावपाचें जालें आतां सो हांव मागता ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टर आमचो मिनिस्टर बाबा आमचे हेचेर एक्शन घेवचे आनी जाता तितले बेगीन आमची बीच क्लीन करून आनी बरे सुविधा जशे परे वॉटर ड्रिंकींग वॉटर टँक हिंगा तुजे डस्टबीन ही गार्बेज आसा ती साफ करची टॉयलेट इतलो डेस्परेट जाल्लो आहा हिंगा एटलिस्ट एक मोबायल टॉयलेट सद्या 4-5 एक मोबायल टॉयलेट घालचे सद्याक इतले कंडिशन बॅड जाल्ले आहा सुलभ टॉयलेटाचे अननेसेसरी तो चार्जीस करता आनीक पयर फाटी नवीन टायम्साचेर बी घालून जायते आमी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व केल्ले आहा आनी त्या एकल्याक सस्पेंड देखून केला ओवर चार्जीस करता म्हूण जे सुवातेर 5 रुपया आहा थिंगा तो 25 रुपया घेता 2 रुपया आहा थिंगा तो 20 रुपया घेता 1 रुपया आहा थिंगा तो 10 रुपया घेता हे भाशेन हें करून तेणें जायते प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएट केले आनी हांवें वचून तिका जायते प्रॉब्लेम ताका सॉल्व केले आमची क्रीक आहा ती हितून डर्टी जाल्ली आहा आनीक जी सुलभ टॉयलेटाच्या फाटल्यान जी क्रीक येयला ती क्रीक सगळें सुलभ टॉयलेटाचें सगळें वेस्ट हितून वयता जे सेप्टीक बांदलेलो आहा तो ताका क्रॅक येवन सारको मोडपाचे हेजेर आहा सारको कंडिशन सारकें बॅड जाल्लें आहा तरी पूण आजून लक्ष घालपाची कांय हें ना
9-day Navratri is celebrated all over the state by happiness and joy. Let's have a glance at the Goans Navratri festival in the state. Goa Sport Journalists Association, in collaboration with Gino Pharmaceutical, declared Gino Sports Award 2012 and 13. This year, the Best Sports Award was given to Alat Chati, the Best Sportswoman was awarded to Akanksha Salunke, and remaining awards were given to Best Coach Marino Diaz, Best Team Churchill Brothers, Best Upcoming Sport Man Rishabh Naik, Best Upcoming Sportswoman Urmila Manse, Best College St. Xavier's Mapsa, and Best School Don Bosco's Panaji. Gautam Shirodkar report from Panaji.
Prestigious Gino Sports Awards given every year to the sports personality who has excelled in their field. The awards will be presented at the hands of Governor Bharatveer Vanju on Saturday, October 12th in the Hotel Mandavia at 11 a.m.
You must be aware that these awards were started by us long back, somewhere in the year 1998 or so. And for the last, except maybe 1 or 2 years when there was break, we have been trying to honor the sportsmen from Goa. The whole idea was that to sportsmen who have been doing well in the various fields. See, earlier I remember that right from the 50s onwards, Goa was known for football, and Goa and the football were going along together. But if you see, in the last few years, the whole scenario in Goa is changing, and sportsmen from different fields. Now you find that we have international sports person from Goa, whether it is chess, whether it is lawn tennis, whether it is so many other sports fields. And in order to encourage these youngsters to continue doing well in the field of their own choice, both at the local, national, as well as the international level, we thought of starting these awards. Along with the sports person, we also try to encourage the coaches who are instrumental. Say, for example, Raghunandan Gokhale.
Before we wind up, here is a recap of today's news headline. Huge chaos on Rohan Khaute's question on the first day monsoon session of the State Legislative Assembly. Boycott of Senior Rani is due to restlessness among few family members, Congress Inspector Dr. A. Chalan Kumar. Mayam issue should be solved by 19 December as per the assurance given by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Bhu Vimochan Nagari Kruti Samiti. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.